On top with tori for today, President Muhammadu Buhari don Tanda put for Tokyo, Japan unto TICAD7. President Muhammadu Buhari don comot for Abuja go Japan to go follow do the 7th Tokyo International Conference on top African Development, TICAD7. The one wey go shele for Yokohama for August 28 waka reach August 30, 2019. Dis waka wey Presido Buhari do go be the second time wey e dey at ten d TICAD, as e don first go TICAD for Nairobi for Kenya for August 2016. The ogbonge title wey dey come give TICAD7 this year na Africa and Yokohama sharing passion for the future. And the opening section for TICAD7 dey go start with the Japanese Prime Minister wey come be the one wey Tanda gidigba this event wey be Shinzo Abe. President Buhari na im go deliver Naija statement for the plenary section, the one wey e go talk on top the relationship, the one wey dey between Nigeria and Japan and wetin dem see for TICAD6, the one wey dey at ten d for Nairobi for Kenya. Presido go still at ten d State Banquet and tea reception for Imperial Palace, Tokyo, wey Emperor Naruhito wey invite am come. After the many meeting wey e go get with Prime Minister Abe, Naija Presido go some event wey go see chief executive officers of some Japanese country, the one wey don bring ogbonge investment enter Nigeria. The TICAD wey dem dey do, dem be form am for 1993 and na im be the biggest international conference wey don shele for Japan, wey dey give ogbonge opportunity give stakeholders for Africa to fit talk and share ogbonge ideas unto Africa matter how e go take catapult go up. The people wey dey Tanda put for this TICAD no be only Africa country, international organizations dey, private companies, civil society sef, all of them dey join put. As TICAD dey shook eye put for how Africa go take grow well, and Naija don gain from am since Naija don join for TICAD6, the one wey Japan take pledge $30 billion to take invest put for Africa future matter, and wey private sector come put $10 billion for infrastructure, $500 million for vocational training to take train 50,000 Africans dem. Since the conference wey shele for Nairobi, Japanese government and companies they don put better support and body put for Naija agriculture matter, health, electricity and on top with youth empowerment dem. President Buhari and im delegate for Nigeria go dey Yokohama to take talk on top how Japanese go still fit put better support and body put on top with agriculture for Nigeria, science and technology, human resource development, education, agriculture, health and other sectors dem wey dey make Nigeria matter waka far. Presido at ten d TICAD7 with governors dem, Babagana Zulum, Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, ministers dem and other ogbonge people for Naija government. As im go waka come Naija back for August 31, 2019 when the TICAD7 when e finish. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don Tanda gidigba put for Tokyo for Japan unto TICAD7 to take do many talk unto how Naija matter go take waka far for the country. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so on top with tori for today na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come put for una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website is don gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.